All right, everyone. So in this video, we're going to be going over one of the skills that you're going to need to have with your calculator in order to pass the AP Calculus test. So if you need to, pause the video, go grab your calculator, make sure it's all charged up. And a key thing, got to remember, because we're in calculus, make sure your calculator is in radian mode. Always be sure that you are in radian mode because I've seen so many people make mistakes on that. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is showing you how to calculate a derivative. So here we've got this actual AP calculus question. And so it says, during the time interval from 0 to 2, the number of people at a concert area can be modeled by this function. Now again, there's sine right there. So there's another good reason why make sure your calculator's in radian mode, where t is measured in hours. Assuming that no one leaves the arena during the time interval, determine the value of m prime 1 using correct units. So what we have to do is we have to find the derivative and then plug in 1. Now this is a calculator question, which means we can just use our calculator to find the answer for us. So we're going to go to Math, and then we're going to arrow down to NDeriv right there. So we've got that, so we press enter. Now this is always according to x. Whatever calculator you've got is usually going to be in terms of x and not in terms of t like they have here or some other variable. So we're going to have to type this in. So we have 960 times. You don't have to. Sometimes I like to type in the times just to be sure that I included it. 0.2x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now, these calculators will not give you an expression for a derivative, but it will give you a value of a derivative. And that's because we have to go over here, and let's see, come on, arrow over, there we go. Because what we have to do is we have to type in the value of 1. Now when we do that, there we go. We get 1529 0.23851. All right. Now, if this were an open-ended free response type question, we would have to decide how we were going to round this in a way that makes sense. Now, what is m? M is the number of people, and t is the measure in terms of the number of hours. So as a rate, that's what this is. This is people per hour. Now, since we're talking in terms of people, it's often a safe bet that you just round to the nearest whole person. So in that case, it's 1529 people per hour. Now, what is the meaning of this? Now, all we've said is it's 1529 people per hour. And so because it's a positive, what that means is 1,529 people per hour arrive at, so, whoops, let me back this up. Let's clarify this a little bit. At t equals 1, people arrive at the rate of 1,529 people per hour. All right, thanks for watching. Come check out the next one where we go over another of our skills.